Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 100 feet garden hose that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show it to you on a close-up and how to use it in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that if you need something, that this one is not expansible. So this one is 100 feet. It's not one of those that is like 30 feet and that will expand. But this one, again, is not extensible, but it's expandable, meaning that if you have high water pressure, this one is going to work really, really good. But again, having 100 feet, I think it's really, really cool. Of course, if you have a kind of like a place that you need to go longer, or if you have like a big patio or big garden, this could be really good. It comes with this strap over here. So that's actually good because you can put it in storage mode if you don't have a stand or a hanger or something like that, so you can use this. And I do like the fact that it comes right here with this high quality metal hooks right here, that you're gonna find that this one is the one that goes for your hose of your garden hose right here, and it comes with the silicone right here, so it won't be kind of like spilling or something like that. And this right here is the one that you're gonna use for these right now. I'm gonna show them to you. Besides, it comes with instruction manuals that you're not gonna use because this is really, really easy, but it comes with the nozzle. So this nozzle that you can actually use to open and close it from here. You don't have to go to the actual hose or something like that. You just do this right here, and that's it. It comes with 10 functions over here, so you're gonna be able to change it and use the different beams and kind of like water pressure as well. So let's actually take a closer look. So just take a look at how much I have over here, how much hose I still have over here, and this one actually has it the good shape right now, like the final shape. You can see that this one becomes like super thick, I want to say. So that is why it's expandable, not extensible. And you can open it from here, or you can open it from the actual hose right here. So you're gonna see that you have this one. So let's actually take a closer look. So let's go with the first one right here, just a beam. Then I have this kind of like this mist for delicate plants or something like that. I have this right here that goes horizontal, as you can see over here. This one that goes in an angle, you're gonna see that goes in an angle. And this one that is kind of like the usual or the regular one, which is the best one for like watering your plants, I want to say. This one that goes in vertical mode, as you're gonna see right here. This is really good for washing your windows or your car windows as well. This one that goes kind of like on like a widespread, I want to say. And then we're coming to a wider one. And last but not least, I think it's the last one. No, this is not the last one. This goes in an angle, but I want to say like a more spread, more vertical. And then we come back to right here, the regular beam, which has some really good pressure, I have to say. So this is also good for washing your windows or something that needs more pressure. And then we go back to the two beams right here, the center one and the other one with the mist. And we're gonna go with the regular one that I really, really like. I think this is super convenient to have 100 feet. This is like an never-ending hose, of course, and I do like it because of the supports the water pressure and the quality of the connections right here with the actual patio hose, or this right here with this kind of like nozzle right here as well. So I like it. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.